welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. On the occasion of the bicentennial of Don Bosco's dream at 9 years of age, the Salesian Santa Rosa Province Lima, in collaboration with the Salesian San Francisco de Sales School, Lima Breña, promoted a second meeting of Salesian animation under the title, We Are Children of a Dreamer. The event was attended by 11 Salesian schools located in various parts of the country. In light of the Rector Major's Trena 2024, the participants reflected on Don Bosco's childhood dream, a dream that marks the origin of the Salesian mission on behalf of young people. For 20 years, the Salesian work in NEHU on the Lebanese mountain has been animated by groups of Salesian cooperators and young volunteers from the Latin or Maronite Rite who offer humanitarian assistance together with various educational and pastoral activities throughout the year and in particular in summer to thousands of young people, both Lebanese residents and Syrian and Iraqi refugees, Christians and Muslims. Over these years, they have been accompanied by the Salesians of Don Bosco in the journey of Christian and Salesian formation from one generation to the next, thus becoming part of the Salesian family. The governor of Kep province, H.E. Sompiseth, visited Don Bosco Kep on the morning of 29th August 2024 to officially open the special 5,000 trees program created by the Don Bosco Green Alliance Cambodian branch in Kep, one of the greenest provinces of Cambodia in the coastal region. Although the smallest province of the Southeast Asian kingdom with an area of 336 km square, 130 square miles, Kep is a separate peninsula 8 kilometers from north to southwest and a big share of the Phom Vor to the north shared with the surrounded province of Kampot. The GEX Vice President of the World Confederation of Past Pupils of Don Bosco from the Philippines has made a name for himself in his new home. Neil Evangelista, who relocated to Melbourne last year, has recently been appointed as one of 12 My Melbourne International Student Ambassadors. Neil expressed his enthusiasm for the role, stating, "My previous experiences in study, work and volunteering inspired me to apply for this ambassador program. As an ambassador, I want to encourage international students to get involved in the community through volunteering, events and various activities around the city." The longer the war in Ukraine lasts, the younger men die or return from the front as war casualties or are injured as civilians in the hail of bombs. They have lost a leg or an arm to shrapnel or exploding mines. These people have to find a new foothold in life, a new task and new courage. Don Bosco has therefore supplemented the football school that has been successfully established in Lviv for years with teams of so-called amputee football. It is the first football school of its kind in the whole country. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.